Hello and welcome. We are gonna open some Japanese jungle packs, namely these 30 in total. We're gonna do it in a series of 10 each, so I'll start with 10 and then 2 times another 10. We'll have a look at the cards, see how well scented they are, if they look good, and then I'm gonna send them off to PSA and we're going to see what grades they get. So hopefully we can find some great cards, some Flareon, some Jolteon, some Vaporeon, Kangaskhan, you name it. Great cards in this set. Maybe a Pikachu, also always good to see a Pikachu. So let's start off with the first 10 packs. And I might make some mistakes with the names, but that's hard to read with these, well, I don't know Japanese. Alright, let's open some packs. Really looking forward to this. So we have 10 jungle booster packs, Japanese ones, so a guaranteed holo in every pack. And let's hope we can get some nice PSA 10s out of them. So send them off, grade them, and hopefully get some gem mints out of there. Let's start off with the first pack. So the holo should be in front here, so I'll open up from the back. Let's see how that goes. Are we correct? Yes, we are correct. Nice Pocket Monsters logo. There goes the holograph. And we start off with a Sparrow. Bellsprout, nice. Persian. Parasect. Cubone. Nidoran. And Pikachu. Nice fat Pikachu. Rhyhorn. And what do we have here? Is that the last one? No. Rapidash. And the holo. Vileplume. Cool. Card looks really good. I'd say that's a nice candidate for 10. Nice holo swirl there, you see it? Yeah, cool. Really love Japanese cards. So the evolution box over there, the holo goes right over it. So, off to a nice start. Hoping for some evolutions as well. Jolteon, Vaporeon, Flareon would be nice. So I have 30 packs in total. There we go. So I hope to finish a set. Not sure if we will get there. Oddish, Eevee, Gloom, nice fat Pikachu, Rhyhorn, Rapidash, Execute, nice Omelette Boy, Nidoran, the other one was Nidorino by the way, Mankey, Vileplume. It is jungle, so we get another green card. That's, well, that's cool, I guess. Again, looks really good. Looking at the back, not much wrong with that. So we'll send it in and hopefully we get a nice 10. Third pack. I love these packs, by the way. Look at that. Gold wrapping really cool. Feels solid compared to newer packs, I guess. 2019 now, so these packs are they're from 1996. 23 years old. That's a long time ago. Alright. We needed scissors for that. Holo goes to the back. Nice Singing Boy. Goldeen. Sparrow. Parrish. Cubone. Nidorino. Pikachu. Always good to hit a Pikachu. Rhyhorn. Rapidash. Scyther. We keep the green theme going. Ah, nice, that's so cool. And again, you can have some centering issues with the Japanese cards. I mean, the printing quality is really good. There's nothing wrong with this card. But also the centering in these specs is really nice. They can get 9s because the centering is off, but nice looking holo, good centering, so that's looking good. Really cool. Alright, let's get something different and color green this time maybe. Nice evolution perhaps. First one goes to the back, there we go. Mankey. Meowth on his stack of gold. Executor. And the only trainer card in the set. The rest is just Pokemon, so here we have the Pokeball. Venonat. Taurus. First one we get, so that's cool. Oddish. Eevee. Chasing the butterflies. Cool. Gloom. And a Venomoth. Alright, cool. We got the green team ready here. Look at that. Really nice card. Great looking. Again, great centering. These specs are all really nice. Nothing wrong with the back as well. So another grade 10 PSA Gem Mint candidate. After the next one. The green team is coming along very nicely. Let's see what we can add to this. Alright, Sparrow. Bellsprout, first one we saw. Persian. Oddish. And another Eevee. Gloom. Mankey. Meowth. Executor. Yeah, Flareon. Nice. Really great looking card. Look at that. Perfect looking card. The back. Maybe a little bit off center. But no, that's a good looking card. That is great. One of the ones I really wanted to pull. So there we have the Flareon. Alright, 5 down, 5 to go. To the back with you. Alright. Parasect. Cubone. Nidoran. Pokeball. Venonat. Taurus. Mankey. Meowth. Executor. Ah, nice. Nice little Jigglypuff. Looks good. Great looking card. What's there? Little speck, but that was just some dust. Look at that. Great back as well. That's awesome. We got some color in there in the back. Look at that. 6th pack. There we go. Rhyhorn. Venonat. Taurus. Execute. Mankey. Cool. First Butterfree. That's nice. Look at those. Field of flowers. That's great. Awesome looking card. This should have been a holograph, by the way. This is some nice art right there. Eevee, chasing the butterflies. Cubone. Nidorino. Yeah, Jolteon. Oh wow. That is, yeah, well, the Vaporeon, and we have the evolution set already. Look at that. That is great, great, everybody. Haha. Awesome. Again, nothing wrong with this card. Nothing at all. This should all be straight 10s. Or are we gonna put that next to the Flareon, of course? 3 packs left. This is going really well. We have no doubles yet. That's also quite nice. And like I said, every pack has a holographic. There's 16 in the set. And we already have 7 different cards. How great is that? So we're still looking for 9. We have 23 packs left. Execute, Nidorino, Primate, Pokeball, Venonat, Taurus, Oddish, Eevee, Gloom, the nice 3D, can you see that? Let me, yeah, nice 3D drawing of the Gloom. Nice, Nidoqueen. I think we completed the green team, I'm not sure. But that is great. Another different card. And again in, let's see the back. That is perfect condition. Nothing wrong with that. So the printing quality of Japanese cards, especially, well, the older Japanese cards like these, is a lot better than the older English cards. So the chance of getting a high grade is a lot higher compared to the English ones. We can't even see it. Let's put it in there. So you should get at least a 9 from Japanese packs, but most of the times, if you get it straight from the pack, they should get a 10. Centering could be some trouble, but the printing quality and the cutting quality. I guess the Japanese printers had sharper blades, or the cutters had sharper blades than the English ones. Jigglypuff, Goldeen, Sparrow, another Pikachu, nice, Rhyhorn, Rapidash, Mankey, Meowth, Executor, and we have another Nidoqueen. Cool. So our first double. There's a nice swirl in this card as well. You can see it right over there. That's great. So here we have our two queens. I like the one with the swirl better. So let's see if they can both get a 10. Oh, there goes my sleeve. Here's another one. So I'll put you right up there. So last pack. And I don't think we have all the uncommon cards from the set yet. I'm not sure that we get a what's the fish called again? We have the Goldeen. Seeking. Do we have a Seeking? I'm not sure. Only one Butterfree as well, so I won't mind getting another Butterfree. Last pack, everyone. Let's see if we can get another new card. So Jigglypuff, Sparrow, Pokeball. They're getting, no, still nothing new. Execute, Nidoran, Primeape, and what do we have? Last card, everyone. Yeah, that's so cool. Pidgeot. We didn't have the Pidgeot yet, and it looks great. Nice dark colors on the card itself. Great holo. Wow, that is That's awesome. A little scruff on the back, which the other cards didn't. Not sure if you can see it. It's over there. It's a little bit of scruff. Not sure if PSA will give it a 9 instead of a 10. Might still be 10 worthy. We'll see what it gets back. But great card. So this is what we have from all these 10 packs. Let's have a look at that. Only one double, so that's not too bad. That's pretty good actually. So we had two Nidoqueens, one with a nice swirl in it. Jolteon, Vaporeon, very, very awesome. We have the Pidgeot, the Wigglytuff, Venomoth, Victory Bell, Scyther, and Vileplume with a nice swirl in there as well. So that were the openings for these. Curious what PSA will grade them. Alright, here we have the returns. In the back you can already see some nice fat boys. End up sending in 9 of them, of which 7 got a 10, 2 got a 9. Probably had to do with centering. And also sent in 1 Eevee, just one of which I was sure it would get a 10. And it sure did. Let's go into the holos that I pulled. I'll go over them in order of the order that I pulled them, and with this batch I am very, very happy, really glad, and only one little surprise actually. So first we have the Vileplume, which got a 10. Great card, nice swirl over there, really happy with this grade. We have the Victory Bell, the second one, which is perfect I think, but it got a 9, which probably has to do with centering. Couldn't find anything other on the card which could give it a 9, but still, it, like I said, should get at least a 9. Next up, Scyther. Scyther, nice and well centered, who got a 10. And here we have the Venomoth, which also got a 10. Great looking card, really happy with the grades. Now the big boy Flareon also got a 10. Very, very happy with this one. So far 4 10s and 1 9 out of the 5 cards. So that was, well, this one especially, but with all the other ones as well, happy with the grades. The Wigglytuff, number 6, got a 10. Number 6 I pulled, I mean, in that sense. Great looking card. Solid 10. Slightly off center maybe, but well, slightly, that's not that big of a deal. And another Evolution. Really happy when I pulled this one, and it got a 10. Great looking holo pattern. Back looked perfect. Very, very, very happy with this one. Up next, Nidoqueen. Nice swirl over here. Here you can see it. Got a 10. Perfect condition cards. As well as the second Nidoqueen, which also has a nice swirl over here. Got a 10. So 2 great looking Nidoqueens. Great stuff. Then we had the Pidgeot, which had a little scruff on the back, which was a bit hard to see, but I guess PSA also thought it was hard to see because they gave it a 10. So it maybe was one small minor issue, is not that big of a problem, or they overlooked it, I'm not quite sure. I'm not a professional grader, but I'm happy that this card got a 10. So there you have it. The first 10 cards. I have 9 10s out of the 10 cards, which is awesome. 90% of them got a 10. And only one of them had a 9, but that was due to centering issues. So that was it for the first 10 packs. Go watch my other video where I have 2 more videos of 10 packs. Great cards in them as well. And hope you like this video. Thank you very much.